Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of the 100 Days of Python series. I am Dinesh Kumar, and today we are going to understand one of the most basic and important concept in Python, variables. Let's dive right in. What is a variable? So, the first question is, what is a variable? What is variable? And answer is, a variable is a just a name that refer to a value. Think of it like a container or a label that stores some data for us to use later. Here is one example. I can create some folder and I will open here and I create some file. The variable name is anything, so don't worry about it. But this extension is mandatory. If you are not here, your py extension used for Python file and HTML CSS use in HTML CSS file. So here we'll create a example for a variable name is equal to, so having some problem, I will fix it. So name Dinesh and age 19 and weight is equal to 48. Okay, I will created some variable. This is a variable and this is a variable. This is a variable. This contains string. This contain integer and this contain float. If you don't know what is string, what is integer, and what is float, I will discuss in later next videos. So here we created a some variable, so we can use it into a print function, and we will have name. We will type here name and name and age and weight. So when I run this, if I run this, the output is Dinesh 99 and 48.4. This will happen because this variable hold this string value, and this variable hold this integer value, and this variable is hold this float value. So yeah, I think you are understand what is how can you use variable. So the next question is rules for naming variable. When you are naming variable, Python follows some simple rules. The first rule is the name must started with a letter or underscore. Uh, if I example here, the name is started with underscore. Sorry, underscore. Name is equal to d. Sorry, dk. This is a valid syntax. This is a valid syntax. I can delete it, so this is visible as brand. Sorry. If I run this, the output is dk. So this is a valid syntax. And second rule is it cannot start with a number. So variable cannot start with a number. This is a rule of Python. So when we are created when we are create a variable like this, name is equal to ek. So print, when I print this first name, this will gives me a error. So the rule is simple that you can use underscore and you can use a letter, but you cannot use a, a number from starting the variable. And second rule is I can comment it. If you don't know what is comment, I will discuss about next video. So the third rule is no special character like at the rate, dollar, or percentage. Okay, no special character used in like dollar, sorry, at the rate, is the simple as no use special character like dollar, like percentage, and many other modulo. And so this will give you an error. This will give you an error when I print it. When I print it, when I, this will give me an error like this. Syntax error. The syntax is not valid format. So variable cannot start with a number or special character. And fourth rule is variable name are case sensitive, because variable name is case sensitive means you can create name like this and second variable like this. The the main thing is the name and this name are different. The name and this name are different. So this is a rule in a Python, so you can follow it and use it in your IDE, in your software, yeah, whatever. So so next topic is dynamic type in Python. Python is a dynamically typed language. Means this means you don't need to declare the type of variable. Python figure it out automatically. Like like x is equal to x is equal to 5 and x is equal to hello. The Python is automatically detected that x is integer and now x is string. So the type of variable can change during the program. Okay. So next topic is the next topic is best practice. Best practice means always use meaningful name. Like always use meaningful name like this. This is a best practice for every programmer and developer. You can tell anything. So name like, suppose that I uh, I I want to store a I want to store age into a variable. So the best practice is don't use a like short form. Short form is short form a. You use instead of a you use age equal to 19 so that the programmer will understand your code properly. So that's it for today. You have now learned what is variable and how to use them. In day 3, we will learn about data type in more detail. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe it with your friends. So thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow in the next lesson. Happy coding. Okay.